So, what's in the agenda for us in this course? Well, first, the obligatory welcome section, which we are in right now. Next, we are going to talk about API basics. All three web APIs are basically, first and foremost, an API, and it's important to clarify what exactly an API is and what are its goals. Next, we are going to discuss web APIs, which are a subset of APIs. Of course, all three are web APIs, so it's important to understand what exactly a web API is. Then, we will begin our discussion about the actual web APIs, and the first one is REST API. In this section, we will learn the basic concepts of REST API and learn what are the scenarios it is designed for. Next, we will talk about GraphQL, what are the problems it's trying to fix, and what are the main components of it. After that, we will look into gRPC, which also tries to improve on REST API, but from a completely different perspective. We will learn what it does and how it does it. Then, we will learn the differences between these APIs. We will look at the pros and cons of each one and see the decision tree or flowchart that will help us decide between them for our specific project. And after all this, we will conclude the course and talk about what's next. Okay, great. So now, let's move on.